got y is equal to 1 plus cosine squared x all raised to the 6th power. All right, so what were your initial thoughts on this problem? Okay, so looking at this, we're thinking definitely going to be using the chain rule. Okay. Now, before I even do this chain rule, one thing that I might do is rewrite this square on the cosine function. So we've got 1 plus cosine of x squared all raised to the 6th power. So now, when I'm talking about the chain rule, I'm peeling off that outside layer. It's my onion. Okay? So my outside function is x to the 6th, and my inside function is 1 plus cosine of x squared. So when I take my derivative of the outside function, I end up with 6x to the 5th. And my derivative of the inside function, well, the derivative of 1 is 0, but this derivative of cosine of x squared, I have to use the chain rule on this one as well. All right, now, this guy right here is kind of a small chain rule, so I'm gonna do this chain rule without doing the writing out the outside and the inside portions. So when I take my derivative of cosine of x squared, my outside function is x squared. So my derivative of my outside, keeping the inside the same, looks like 2 times cosine of x raised to the 1st. Derivative of the outside, keeping the inside the same, times the derivative of the inside. And my inside function is cosine x, so its derivative is negative sine x. All right, are there any questions on calculating that derivative, the derivative of cosine of x quantity squared? I used the chain rule, I just didn't write out my inside and outside. Okay? So now we can go back here and write down our derivative, dy over dx. Looks like derivative of the outside, keeping the inside the same, so we have 6 times 1 plus cosine of x squared, all raised to the 5th. Derivative of the outside, keeping the inside the same, times the derivative of the inside, which is 2 cosine x times negative sine x.
So,
The inside for this guy here? Yeah. So,
go ahead if you.
what's that?
Well, just, so you wouldn't even want us to go 12 minus 12 cosine sine x plus.
If
Okay.
you wanted to, that would be fine,
but
but
that-
that is, it's legitimate to leave it like that as
Okay.
well. I realize this goes against all of your moral and ethical beliefs about mathematics.
I know.
Oh,
But
it's good.
that's our goal is to focus on the
It's
derivative
golden.
part. So,
It's good.
Right.
okay. All right, other questions or comments about number 31?